How to fix an Uber Eats app not working. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily fix the problem you're facing while using Uber Eats app. First of all, open the settings app. Now go into the app section, scroll down and find the Uber Eats app. Now click on the data usage. Make sure that data usage is turned on. Go back and click on the storage option. Now play can't clear cost the settings app. Go to Google Play Store and search for the Uber Eats app. Click on the app now. Uninstall it. After that, install it again. When the app is downloaded, your problem will be fixed automatically.